In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your own Janitza ID. With this ID, a GridVis expert test phase is created and converted into a full license with a license key. Open the website id.janitza.de. Here you also log in with an existing Janitza ID. Click on Create Account to create a new Janitza ID. Fill out the form with your personal information. To create your Janitza ID, you must accept the terms of use. Please read the terms of use carefully before creating your Janitza ID. In addition, you can agree whether your measurement data may be evaluated anonymously and whether you would like to receive product and system information. You can change these three permissions in your Janitza ID at any time. After creating the Janitza ID, an email with a verification link will be sent to the email address provided. Open this email and click the included link to complete the Janitza ID creation. Log in with the Janitza ID you just created. You will now see the user interface. In the top left menu, you can switch between the overview of your licenses and your profile. You can also start the wizard for offline licensing here. Here you also log out from your Janitza ID. In your profile, you can view and change the information about yourself and your company. In addition, you can adjust your consent to anonymized measurement data use and the settings for notifications. Here you delete your Janitza ID. Please note that you will lose access to your licenses and will not be able to use the GridVis to its full extent. Switch back to the license overview. This Janitza ID does not have any licenses yet. To add a license, click on Create a new license. At this point, you have several options. If you want to use the free GridVis Essentials, create a corresponding license here. You can test the GridVis Expert Edition and the GridVis Cloud for 30 and 90 days respectively. For this, you need a corresponding test phase, which you can start here. If you have already purchased a license key, add it to your Janitza ID. Next, I will show you how to create a test phase and convert it into a full license. Start a test phase of the GridVis Expert. The test phase was successfully created. More actions have appeared in the upper area. These actions are dealt with in another tutorial which you can find in the video description. Each license is displayed as a separate tile. In this tile you can see more information about your license. In the test phase, 100 items are available to you. One item is used with each device, user or data import created in the GridVis. The license tile takes you to the license management. This is explained in another tutorial, which you can also find in the video description. Depending on the license type, different actions are available. How to license a project in the GridVis is shown in another tutorial. This tutorial is linked in the video description. During or after the test phase, you can activate the license. To do this, you must purchase a license key. Select the Activate License action. Note that after activation you will have as many items available as are contained in the license key you are using. Enter your license key and confirm the activation of the license. The activation has been completed successfully. This license was activated with a license key that contains 50 items. Therefore, only 50 items are available in the license after activation. In the license tile, you will see the update period as new information. This is valid for 1 year after activation of the license. Within the update period, you can update the GridVis to the current release at any time. After the update period has expired, you can continue to use the GridVis, but updates are no longer possible. In this case, the license information shows the maximum GridVis version that can be used with this license. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.